Hello guys, welcome to Graphics Parlour. I am Dr. Jaman Shishir with you. In this video I will show you how to remove any object from photo. Now go to layer, then press Ctrl J. Now take any your favorite selection tool. I am using lasso tool. Now select the object. Go to edit, then fill. Select content aware from here and click OK. Now press Ctrl D. You can see before and after. Now go to layer, then press Ctrl J. Now take patch tool and select the area. Now drag it where it can be fit. Now press Ctrl D. You can see the before and after. Now go to layer, then press Ctrl J. Now take clone stamp tool and press Alt for take sample and simply brush. You can see it is complete. This is before and after. If you are new in this channel, make sure that you subscribe our channel.